Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of our farmhouse style front porch, all decked out for the holidays. Welcome to our home, friends. We've been in this house for nearly 5 years now, working hard to renovate and turn this old house from the 70s into the farmhouse of our dreams. One of my very favorite things about our house is this big porch space. I think it adds so much character to our home and just looks so warm and inviting. I absolutely love to decorate this porch space with each change in season. But of course, my very favorite of them all is Christmas. I just think it looks so cozy and inviting, all decked out with all of our festive holiday decor. And of course, a cold, snowy day always helps to make things feel extra cozy. So you'll notice a big pile of wood right next to our front door. That's because we've got a wood-burning fireplace right in our front living room, and so that gives us some easy access to wood whenever we want to have a fire. Right on our front door, you can see I've got a flocked wreath tied with a simple red ribbon. This wreath also matches with all of the other wreaths I've hung over all of our windows on our home. Over our front door, I've hung a matching garland and draped some more of that simple red satin ribbon throughout. As you can see, I also used that satin ribbon to add a few more pops of red throughout our porch, tying it onto the tops of some lanterns, as well as all of our outdoor lights. On either side of my front door, you'll notice I've got a collection of lanterns, a couple of mini Christmas trees, and a gorgeous sign made by a local artist here in my hometown. Beside our front door, I've got our DIY vintage window box, which I filled with some stems of faux greens. Hanging in front of the window is my DIY giant Christmas wreath. I'll leave a link in the description box below to that tutorial for you as well. Continuing on down our front porch, right in front of our big front window, you can see a pair of white rocking chairs with the cutest outdoor pillows ever. These adorable plaid pillows are actually made for the outdoors, which means they'll stand up perfectly to all this snowy weather. I just couldn't resist the matching plaid blanket, and of course adding in a few more nostalgic pops of red. Draped along the top of our porch is just a simple lit pine garland. I love the way the greens and white lights really help to warm up our porch space. Now, all along the front of our house, we have some white Christmas lights as well. I just love the clean look of white lights, and I especially love that the cords on these are white, so they look beautiful even in the daytime. I just love how warm and inviting this porch space makes our home feel. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed this little peek at our farmhouse style front porch, all decked out for Christmas. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thanks so much for watching.